Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your active hours in regards to Windows Update on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Update. Best result should come back with Check for Updates. Go ahead and select that. And now you want to go over here on the right side where it says change active hours. And then you can go ahead and select the change button right here and then adjust that by clicking inside of here and then adjusting the time parameters and then the plus button to save it. And then you would select save to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.